Hi everyone, Samit here from Every Paisa Matters, and today I'm going to be talking about Amazon's ongoing Great Indian Festival sale, where Amazon is claiming that you can get really great discounts by using the HDFC credit or a debit card. What I'm going to be covering in today's video is that how can you maximize the benefit that you're going to get out of the HDFC credit card, while Amazon is saying that you can get discounts up until certain amount, but I'm going to be covering that how can you get up until 18.5% of cashback. That means if you are going to be shopping, you can save at least around 18,500 rupees on your shopping, and how you can do that is exactly what I'm going to be covering in this video. So let's get the video started. So when you log on to Amazon, you of course see this particular banner which says that the Great Indian Festival sale is going on currently for the Prime members, and it is going to continue till 7th of October for everyone. And it talks about getting 10% instant discount up to 12,750. When you click on that, you go over there and you look at discount. Okay, you get a certain discount, 10% discount up to 2,000 rupees till 4th October, and then up to 1750 between 5th and 7th October. And then if you're doing bulk shopping, if you are shopping really big, then they're also giving you a bonus discount offer. The various categories and the various discounts that are available are over here. I'm not going to go through that. I'll let you go through that in your spare time because I'll jump to how you can get the maximum benefits out of it, right? Now, the other thing that we need to be aware of before we jump into actually doing the calculations and trying to find out how you can make the maximum benefit out of this deal is have a look at this. Now, what they're saying is that when you're doing bulk shopping, you get 1,500 instant discount for shopping above 30,000, and above 1 lakh, you actually get 7,500 extra discount. And these are all instant discount we're talking about. These are not cashback. We're talking about instant discount. So what happens is, for example, you are using your card, your HDFC card, and you get up to 2,000 rupees instant discount if you shop between today and 4th of October. Let's leave aside 5th and 7th October because this is going to be another shopping, and then you shop for approximately around 1 lakh rupees, right? So you do a shopping above 1 lakh rupees, and then you get 9,000 rupees. So you're in total, you're going to be getting 9,000 plus 2,000, which is 11,000 rupees worth of discount. Now, this is what we're talking about credit card and credit card EMI. When we talk about debit card and debit card EMI, the maximum discount is 2,000. So I think it makes amply clear over here that if it is a debit card, then you're not going to get too much of a discount. And I'm also going to be focusing a lot about which credit card should you be using while you are doing the shopping on Amazon, so that you can get discounts beyond that. So 11,000 discount is what Amazon said, and I'm going to be making this up until 18,500 in just a few moments. So the thing that you need to keep in mind is HDFC keeps on giving the offers of earning more on their cards by using a portal called Smart Buy. So if you go to the link called offers.smartbuy.hdfcbank.com, and its link I'm also going to be putting in the description below. When you go over there and you go to this particular, when it opens, you will see over here there's a banner which says 10% instant discount up to 12,750. We have seen it over there, plus extra 5x reward points and 5% cashback via Smart Buy. Now this is really important. This is where you're gonna get a lot more discount than what you're actually getting from Amazon. And how that is going to have be possible is, if you click on that link, it brings you to the HDFC's Amazon portal. See, what happens is HDFC is actually getting some affiliate links or affiliate commission from Amazon. They have got a tie-up done. So that means over and above what you're already getting via the discount 12,750, or rather 11,000 that we've talked about, HDFC actually is going to give you more offer on that. And then let's get into the details of this and try to find out what is the maximum benefit, and by using what card are you going to get that benefit. So when you come to this link, it says that it is valid on HDFC Bank credit and debit card. We're not going to be covering debit card over here. It talks about that you can get 5x reward points and up to 5% cashback. So it is either going to be 5 times the reward points or 5% of cashback. And the maximum reward points you can get is 15,000 and or 1,000 rupees cashback per month. Terms and conditions apply. And when we go over there, we click over here, we try to find more details about what really this offer is about. It talks about for which cards, what kind of an offer is available, how much is the cashback available, and how much is the points available. What I've done is I've created a small summary sheet for you guys to help you understand that let's assume that you do a shopping of 17,500 rupees. In case of non-EMI transactions, you will get a 10% cashback, as we know that it has been capped till 1750. So the total discount you're going to get is 1750 rupees. If you do any shopping between that amount and 30,000 rupees, then you're going to continue to get 1750, which makes the discount, overall discount, become less than 10%. But as soon as you do the shopping of 30,000 rupees, the discount goes to 3,250, which makes it greater than 10,000. So that means that, sorry, greater than 10%, which means that when you're trying to do shopping, try to create all of those amounts. Look at is there any relative that lives nearby you who wants to order something? Are there any of your neighbors who are planning to order? So that if you do a combined order, you can get actually a better discount and a better return. If you do a shopping between 30,001 till 99,999, you're continue to go get the same 3,250 rupees off. And if you move that to a lakh rupees, right, which is where we get the maximum discount, the total discount you're going to get is 10,750, which again makes the discount to be 10.75%. Now, if you're using an HDFC Bank's Regalia or a Diners Privilege credit card and use the Smart Buy portal to come over here, you're going to get the cashback, which is up until 2,000 rupees is what maximum that cashback is coming. So if you shop for 17,500, you're going to get 875 as the cashback. If you shop for 30,000, you'll get cashback of 1,500. But if you shop for 1 lakh, it is going to get capped up until 2,000 rupees. You actually should be 5% of 1 lakh should be around 5,000 rupees. But since it is capped at 2,000, that's the maximum discount you're going to get. So if you have a Regalia card, the maximum offer, the maximum discount you're going to get is 12,750 rupees. Now, in case you have got a Diners Black card from HDFC, in such a case, you will actually be getting the 5 times the reward point. But those reward points are actually capped till 7,500, which is exactly what you see on the screen. And the values or the actual value of those points I've put as 50 paisa. Now, the value actually differs if you're using those points to get the flights or the hotels, then value of 1 point is actually equal to 1 rupee, in which case the total discount, maximum discount, will become as 10,750 plus 7,500, which is 18,250 rupees. But if you use that to redeem for the vouchers, for example, Amazon voucher and such forth, the discount will come out to be 3,750. So the total value that comes around over here is 14,500 using Diners Black. If you are using any other debit card or credit card except these two and except Infinia, then the maximum that you are going to be getting is around 11,750 by doing a shopping of 1 lakh rupees. But if you have an HDFC Infinia credit card, then you are going to have a really amazing discount. So if you're using the Infinia credit card and use that for shopping, then you're going to get the 5 times reward point offer, which is capped to 15,000 points, which means that you're going to get 10,750 from the Amazon discount, but you'll also get 7,500 from the HDFC Smart Buy website. Thereby the total discount that will happen is 18,250 rupees. Now this 18,250, that's just that is, you're going to get that if you're going to redeem this for, let's say, Amazon vouchers or any other vouchers on Infinia site. But if you're going to be using these points for buying flight tickets or buying the hotels, then actually the value of these 15,000 points is 15,000 rupees, which means a total of 25,750 is the cashback that you can get. Now that's amazing, right? On a shopping of 1 lakh rupees, you're getting 25,750. And if you're doing an EMI based transaction, then I'm going to just quickly reveal these over here. The values are going to change slightly. And in case of Infinia, the value will again become 11,000 plus 15,000, which makes it 26,000. So that's a whopping 26% cashback or a 26% return on the shopping that you're actually doing. It's amazing, right? It's really amazing. So need to make sure that you have the right card and you use it in the right way. So before you're doing the shopping on Amazon, what you need to do is you need to first go to the portal that I have showed you, offers.hdfc or offers.smartbuy.hdfcbank.com. You need to go to this Amazon site. You need to click on it. Over here, you will see that they will ask you for some details. Just enter the same and it says proceed. We'll click on proceed. And will take you to this particular Amazon portal, which is the Amazon referral portal. Now, what you need to also make sure while doing this is that when you're on the Amazon portal, right, you need to make sure that your cart is actually empty. If you have got anything in the cart, then that particular thing will not be earning the smart buy points. So you need to make sure that before you land on the Amazon website via the smart buy link, your cart is actually empty. You also need to make sure that you go through the terms and conditions, because there are various categories which have got different cashback. So you'll not get the 5% cashback on each category. So there are various categories which have got different percentages applicable. For example, mobiles have got 1%, and if you buy TVs or some other electronics, then it has got 2% cashback. So just go through that so you are very clear about how much is the discount or how much is the cashback that you're going to get. But anything else, it has a potential to give you up until 26,000 rupees worth of cashback. The discount on the Amazon side is actually an instant discount, but the discount on the via the smart buy, that is going to be a cashback which is going to be credited in 90 days. You can see over here the cashback amount or rewards will be credited within 90 days from the end of transaction month. That means if you're doing it in the month of October, by the end of October, after the end of October, it's going to take 90 days for these points or this particular cashback to reflect back in your account. So just by using the right kind of a card, you can make the best use out of it. And I don't think there is anything better than an HDFC Infinia card currently on offer, which gives you such a whopping return of around 26%. If you like this video, hit on like, subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. I'll be back soon with another video soon. Till then, bachate rahe, kamate rahe, because every paisa matters.